Patuloy pa rin natin ang ating usapang lalaki.
Let's go. Change topic.
Usapang lalaki. Okay. Paano ba ang lalaki maglandi?
Paano ba, Pao? Turuan mo nga ako.
Oo.
Naku, ako dapat
Hindi
nagpapaturo
ako
sa'yo.
Turuan mo nga kami. Turuan mo nga kami, bro.
Paano ba? Ganito yan, tol.
Kasi ganito eh.
Ganito yan, bro. Hindi, simple lang din naman. I mean, if you see someone you like, it depends on kung nasaan. If you see her in public or if you see her nakatrabaho mo, I mean, pwede ka magparamdam muna. Diba?
Paano yun? Is it in the eyes? Is it in... Do you actually go to her? You speak to her?
Yeah, you go to her, you speak to her, and it's all in the body language. Kumbaga, titignan mo, and then, depende rin. Depende sa situation. If you guys are at work, or if you guys are, in a public setup.
Okay.
Diba?
I'm not going to ask you that question.
Oo.
Are you single?
No.
Pao?
No, Tito Boy, I am not single right
You are not single.
Yes,
He learned.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is your girl from the business?
No, she's not actually. Hindi pa.
Wala sa show? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Ibig sabihin nagbabalak.
Nagbabalak.
Marami ang nagsasabi that in a relationship, men are more likely to cheat. Is this unfair?
It is unfair.
I think
That's
so.
true.
Kasi I think both naman have the opportunity. It's just that when they place themselves in that situation, then it could happen. So
So it has nothing to do with gender. Na pag lalaki ka, you're more likely to cheat.
Yes.
Paolo?
No, Tito Boy. Ako naniniwala ako na the whole cheating culture thing right now, kasi sobrang uso siya, I believe that it comes from your environment. At a young age, you'll think it's what you want, it's what's cool.
There is this general notion, again, na pag sinabing lalaki, matapang. Hindi umaatras. I mean, your reaction?
I think, parang, okay, maging matapang, hindi ibig sabihin basagulero. Hindi ibig sabihin matapang sa away, hindi ibig sabihin na maangas ka. I think, yung pagiging matapang na yan, it comes from, being a responsible guy, being a responsible person. Pagiging matapang sa mga decision mo sa buhay.
Okay,
Mga
I get that.
ganun.
Rob, ikaw?
ang pagiging matapang ko siguro ay, yun nga, pagharap sa problema ng buong buo. Siguro, yun, paano ba?
No, at saka pagtanggap din ng mali.
Pagtanggap ng mali,
Takes a
yes.
lot,
Pag-reflect mo, siguro you pick your battles. You don't have to always be the winner.
Right.
Doesn't mean you lose too.
Yeah.
Right? So, I guess ang pagpakumbaba
Is
mas
also courage.
matapang
Yeah.
din ho yun. Sobrang tapang ho yun.
At saka choosing also to be better.
Yes. To improve silently and then just let it be.
Right. Palagay ko yun ang mahalaga doon sa konsepto ng tapang.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dami kong natutunan sa inyong dalawa. Maraming salamat. Pero hindi tayo nagtatapos dito. Hindi tayo nagtatapos dito. Kasi gusto ko lamang balikan yung shake, rattle, and roll. Isang eksena ang gusto kong gawin dito sa Fast Talk. Halimbawa lamang, kami ni Chang Susan. Chang Susan papasok dito sa eksena. Sandali lamang, kami naghahanap ng lugar. Nawawala kami. Nariyan kayong dalawa. Can you stand, guys? Dito kayo.
Okay.
Hindi namin kayo nakikita. Halimbawa, dito kayo. Ito ang inyong camera dyan. Kami ni Chang Susan, manggagaling kami dito. Hinahanap namin kung saan ang timog. Nawala kami, matagal na, mga 5 oras na kaming naglalakad. Nakalambiting ka na sa akin kasi pagod ka na. Tapos ikaw ang magde-deliver ng line. Mama, saan ho ba ang papuntang timog? Nawawala ho kami. Ganon. Okay? Tapos, hindi pala natin alam na yun, mga zombies na pala kayo.
Infected po.
How do you call that?
Infected.
Infected. What is the difference?
A zombie is a living dead.
Living dead, while an infected is...
Well, ours kasi, Tito Boy, zombies are people who are infected with a virus that causes them to want to eat humans. Ours naman, Tito Boy, yung infected namin, our virus, ang mangyari sa'yo, you get consumed with rage.
You would rage. As in,
Kill
you wanna
people.
hurt. You wanna
Okay.
kill. Ganyan.
So, violence
Violent,
ito.
yes po.
Pure
So,
rage.
yun ang medyo mahirap. Dahil, hala, handa ka ba? Galingan natin. So, dun kayo, kunyari hindi namin nakikita ang inyong mga mukha, galingan mo, ha? Violence ito.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Action! Saan ba? Ang bigat-bigat mo. Ang bigat-bigat. Dali. Huwag ka na nga, inahanap. Nasaan ba ang team mo?
Kuya! Kuya! Asan po ang team mo?
Sandali lang.
Kuya!